Hey guys, Kevin Shaw here, Editor-in-Chief of Mopar Connection Magazine. Thought I'd do something a little different today. I'm taking you guys around the neighborhood, taking you for a little cruise. Wanted to talk about something really special that we're really excited about for this coming September's Holley MoParty.
Hey guys, I just want to take a quick minute to let you know that we've got the Mopar Connection store up and running, where you can find all sorts of t-shirts and hoodies in a ton of colors and different sizes. We've even got designs for some of our project cars like Zombie and the Brazen Charger. So make sure to check out the link in the video description below.
You might have seen some of the announcements on the magazine, but I wanted to share it here on the YouTube channel, was that we're doing a bunch of big announcements and some really neat events at the Mopar Connection booth at this year's Holley MoParty. So, what's the first thing? The first thing, we got a whole new booth. You guys might not care, but I'm really excited about it. We got a really big booth that's all set up. It's gonna have the Mopar Connection name all over it. We're also going to have 2 cars inside of there that we're currently working on. The last couple of years we've had our Charger there, and this year is going to sit this one out. But this year we're going to have Jim's 1967 Belvedere that we're turning into a little bit of a tribute of a GTX. And this is going to be a street strip version of maybe a NASCAR meets the Silver Bullet. We've already got a 440 that we're building for it. We got a lot of really cool stuff. We've already done the Tremec 5-speed upgrade with the help of our friends over at American Powertrain. And we're gonna be doing a lot more tech on it here on the YouTube channel in the coming weeks and months. So stay tuned for that. That Plymouth is gonna be there. And we're gonna have another Plymouth there, and that's everyone's favorite convertible, our 1970 Plymouth Fury that we've named Marcia. Now what's special about Marcia being in the booth is that Marcia is just getting ready for paint. We're still doing a lot of body work, we're doing a lot of metal exchange on it, a lot of patching, and that's a very extensive project that we've got going on, and it's gonna take a few more months to get that one really ready for paint. But just to add to that, we've got Dave Chamberlain from All Classics Restoration, who's doing all the work on Marcia. He's going to be present Saturday at 11 a.m. to give a personal walk around on Marcia, all the work that he's done thus far, all the work he's got to do left, and then of course everything that is necessary for paint. But if that isn't enough, Dave said he'd happily take everyone's questions on how they can do a beer budget build in their home garage or on their driveway, and he's going to help answer all your questions. So you guys definitely want to be there and meet Dave and talk to him about your projects, listen to what he's got going on, not only with Marcia but in his shop. So there's a lot of really cool stuff happening. That's at 11 a.m. on Saturday. But 2 hours before that seminar, in the Mopar Connection booth, if you haven't already seen the announcement, we're gonna have the Mopar Connection Magazine Saturday Scavenger Hunt. Now what we're gonna do, everyone who wants to participate in the Scavenger Hunt, it's really easy. Simply show up at the booth at 9 a.m. We're gonna give a really quick rundown of the rules, and we're going to give everyone a couple of Mopar Connection stickers. In fact, I got a couple here in the glove box. These stickers, we're going to give you one of these stickers or a couple of these stickers, and you're going to want to go around with a printed copy of the list. We're going to give you a copy of the list of pictures to take, and you got to find as many as you can on the list. There's going to be stuff that's simply not there, and you know, we can't predict the future. But we're going to give you a list of maybe 30 or 40 things, and the person who comes in with pictures on their phone with a picture of this sticker next to the object, you're going to win. Now, what are you going to win? Check this out. It's actually really cool. We partnered up with Edelbrock, and Edelbrock ponied up an amazing amount of parts. They're giving away one of their 750 CFM VR carburetors that are brand new. We got a 650 for Marcia. You guys are gonna win a better version than that one. They're gonna give you a billet fuel rail for it, and then they're also gonna give you a 85-year anniversary tin garage sign of Edelbrock, one of their Edelbrock 85-year anniversary signs. That's something I want for my garage I'm not even gonna get. So that's really, really cool. And just because we want to throw more onto it, Mopar Connection Magazine is gonna give you $200 cash to spend however way you want, whether it's gonna be on stuff in the swap meet or just gas money or whatever you want to do. And so that adds up to $1,275 worth of cash and prizes just for a scavenger hunt. Now, if you're first back to the booth and you've got the most pictures of the things on the list, but you're not back at 4 p.m. and we call your name, we're giving your prize to someone else. So you definitely want to be there at 4 p.m. when we give away the prize. So guys, you gotta be there at 4 p.m. to collect your prize. We're not gonna hunt you down. So I hope you guys are excited for that. We're really excited. This is something really cool for the whole family. You don't have to leave the Beach Bend Raceway Park. Everything is gonna be there. We don't want you to leave the park. We want you to stay within MoParty so that you get the most out of your ticket and you get the most out of your Saturday. So that's something really cool. Lastly, in the booth, we're gonna have our 2 new t-shirt designs with our new magazine logo. We went and did a distressed version of the old 6-pack 446 barrel logo, and we did it, it says Mopar Connection, it's done in that style. And they're all black t-shirts, and we've got 2 different prints on the back. One of them is called Order of the Big Block, and that is a rotation cap of the distributor. It's really cool. We really like that one. And we've got another one. It's called What Does Mopar Mean to You? And that is all the different acronyms for Mopar that everyone has fun with. And we've got that one set up too. So we've got those 2 new cool shirts. Those are going to be on sale for $25 each in the booth. We've got our seminar with Dave Chamberlain of All Classics Restoration. And then of course we've got our all-day Saturday scavenger hunt to be a part in. So guys, this has been a really cool setup. We're really excited for this year's MoParty. We want you to come and see some of the project cars. We want you to come and check out the seminar with Dave, check out Marcia, check out Jim's satellite. We really want you guys to have a lot of fun this year. So definitely come and check us out at this year's MoParty. And we're really excited for all the new subscribers here at the YouTube channel. We want to thank all you guys for liking and commenting and sharing our videos. It really means a lot to us. You've been able to grow our community really fast. So guys, thank you again. We really appreciate you guys tuning in. We hope to see you at MoParty. I'll be there, of course. We'll be running around taking pictures and talking to folks. So guys, thanks again. If you enjoy this video, maybe give it a like, leave a comment, share it with your friends. It'll help us grow the channel. If you want more awesome Mopar content, definitely check us out at www.moparconnectionmagazine.com, where new articles are written and published every day, Monday through Friday, and we'll see you there.